Hello friends, and welcome back to our little nerdy corner of the internet. In this video, we're going to make the Stabshroom. My name is Katora, and let's jump into it. While traveling the internet one day, I stumbled upon this glorious artwork by Alex Boake Illustration, and I thought to myself this would make a wonderful prop, so I reached out for permission. I highly recommend checking out their artwork. I will have all the links to their socials below. And away we go. For everyone playing along at home, here's a material list of everything I used on this project. For the base of this project, I'm going to use EVA foam, and to help shape the mushroom cap, I'm going to use a coffee cup. Once the EVA foam is cooled, it's ready for sanding. For the dagger, not much sanding was needed. It just needed a little shaping to give the blade more of an organic look and the hilt some wood grain texture. For the pommel of the dagger, I'm going to use Sculpey. For the crossguard mushroom cap, I'm going to give it its mushroom look with EVA foam clay. For the gills of the mushroom, I'm going to make some long wormy guys of varying thicknesses. Then I'm going to work the long wormy guys around the cap. I'm not trying to be very precise with the placement of the gills. I'm going for more of an organic look. To finish up the handle, I will cut out a bunch of tiny little strips and then attach them with super glue. I would like to take a moment and thank everyone that has subscribed to our channel. Last month, March of 23, we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. This channel has been a passion project for Pat and I. We have a lot of fun ideas in the works, and we cannot wait to share them with you. And if you're just finding us today, that's okay. Welcome to our little slice of the internet. And if you would like to see more nerdy content, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And leave a like while you're at it. For the top of the mushroom cap, I'm going to cover it with EVA foam clay. camera, I made a bazillion tiny little balls for the mushroom cap. After meticulously placing all the tiny balls all over the mushroom, future me will come to regret this decision and pick them all off later. For the base coat of paint, I'm going to use flexible acrylic primer and follow that up with white acrylic paint. The key to painting this dagger is going to be building it up layer by layer. With lacking the ability to see in the future, tragedy has struck. I somehow have lost the rest of my painting footage, so what you're about to witness is a dramatic recreation. This is not the greatest painting in the world. No, this is just a tribute. Now it's time to reattach the mushroom spots I preemptively added to the cap. A little bit of hot glue will bring this project together, and that will also bring the video to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and let's check out the final results.